Unit 8, new words. Repeat after me. Flat, apartment, квартира. Town, городок. City, большой город. Park, парк. Shop, магазин. Hospital, больница. Street, улица. Cafe, кафе. Translate faster than me. Квартира. Flat apartment. Большой город. City. Городок. Town. Кафе. Cafe. Парк. Park. Больница. Hospital. Магазин. Shop. Улица. Street. Good job!